Hello, girls and guys, welcome back to RoboThoughts, our most interesting channel about zero to hero Python programming on Jetson Nano, guys, by remotely logging through PuTTY into your Jetson Nano. Can you see behind? Alright, guys, one thing, have you noticed there are bunches of robots sitting behind me, right? Most of these bots are running on Jetson Nano, by the way. I make all this stuff, so you are going to reach there pretty soon. And there are tons of AI applications, artificial intelligence applications, which has been deployed in these bots which are right behind me. Anyways, you are going to reach there one by one. Let's start from scratch. All right, so we are on lesson number 19 now, and this lesson is about built-in data types in Python. So guys, let me explain what exactly it is. So in any programming languages, not just Python, but in any languages, say in Java or C, C++, anything, right? You take any programming language, data type is an important concept, very important. Variables can store a data of different types, and different types can do different things. Are you understanding that? I hope you understand this, right? Let me repeat this. The variables can store a data of different types, okay? And different types can do different things. So for example, built-in data types are the most basic data types in Python or any other programming languages, right? Just to name a few, I'm going to come to that. The term built-in means that they are actually predefined inside Python, okay? That's the actual meaning for built-in. It's all predefined. So you don't have to actually, make some hundreds of lines of code into that. It's a predefined, types which you just have to call in. Okay, the term, as I said, it's a predefined, and that can be used directly in your specific program. So let me give you an example of built-in data types. For example, for character, it's called char, char, and for integer, it's int. Okay, and for float with a decimal value, it's float, float, and double, tuple, string, that is str, right, and complex, list, range, boolean, bool is the short form for boolean, right, bytes, bytes, bytes for memory allocation, right? It's a type. Again, all these stuffs we are going to learn one by one in the upcoming video, but today I'm going to teach a built-in data types, how it looks and how to call in for, right? All right, so as usual, let's log into our Jetson Nano, and I'm going to share my screen. All right guys, I hope you guys can see this. So now, since we finish with variables, most part of variables, let us not get back into the same file. Let's create a new one. All right, so let me say nano data.py, just an example, right? So you can give any name as you wish. I'm just trying to make it pretty much similar. So what we will do is all right, so let me give you an example. Say x equal to 5, say print, and now you are going to give a kind of it's a kind of indicator, or you can call it as a what do I call it, kind of example, or maybe a short form. So in order to call for a type, what type of data resides inside a variable, all you need to do is just type, type. All right, just remember this, type, and then what you want to call for, what is there inside x. So again you have to open up a bracket, put in x, close the bracket, and again you need to close the bracket. Okay, you understood? I hope you got it. Now let's see what happens. Let's say Control O and enter Control X. All right, now let me execute this Python file we just created, python3 data.py class. So what it says, guys, So it's showing a type, the class, the type of data is integer, because x equal to 5 we gave an integer inside, right? So that's the output you are getting. So it's a very simple example, and yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you like this video. This is a very simple example. I'm going to give you more and more example in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Do like this video. Bye bye.